Hi everybody! Today we are introducing the new CIAS app feature dedicated to the RMA management. What is an RMA? RMA stands for Return Merchandise Authorization, the process to return a product for repair. How does this new function work? Once you determine that a product is faulty, just scan it to the CIAS app. A barcode label is found on the product or inside the product case. Problem with scanning? Not a problem. Just type the serial number manually on the app. Very important tip. Describe type of fault, giving as many details as possible using the Note tab. Note for the installers, the RMA process can also be completed by your trusted supplier, so don't worry about it. Once the RMA form is completed, the app will automatically fill in the rest. Keep in mind, you can enter more than one item on the same form. Based on the data entered, the app will confirm if the registered items are under warranty or out of warranty. Once you receive this confirmation, submit the RMA form just with one click. But please, wait to receive the confirmation number before shipping the material. A new peculiar advantage is that once the product is received, you can follow the progress through your mobile phone in the RMA list section. Once repair is complete, material will be returned to you and you will be notified immediately. Inside the box you will find test report, list of all checks and processing carried out. Now, these are the 3 reasons to download and use our app. Faster and better support, real-time updates about your request. The CIAS word is always at your fingertips. We hope this RMA procedure explanation has assisted you. Keep following us for updates and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.